Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to receive body content of an email as SMS automatically. So here let's assume that I am an admin of a company and whenever I will receive a new email from my vendor, then I want to send that as a SMS with my team members. So now to do this, here I need to build an integration between these applications for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here whenever I will receive a new email, then I want to send it as a SMS with my team members. So to do this, here my trigger application will be email parser and my action application will be Twilio. So here to send the SMS, I am using Twilio. You can use any other application as well. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to receive body content of an email as SMS automatically. So here let's suppose that you are an admin of your team and now you want that every time a vendor sends you an email, then you want to share the email content with your team by sending a SMS using Twilio. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So now to do this, here I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account as being an existing user. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I'm going to name it as receive body content of an email as SMS automatically. And on my left hand side, these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as email parser. And now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to receive body content of an email as SMS automatically. So over here in this trigger window, I'm going to use email parser as a trigger application to fetch out the emails which I will be receiving on my Gmail account. So over here, I'm going to select email parser as my trigger application, and here it is. So here, as I want to fetch the emails received on my Gmail account here in Pabbly Connect, so for that, I'm going to use email parser. So email parser provides an email hook and it gets connected with a Gmail account. And then this mail hook is going to capture the email and it will send it to Pabbly Connect. So now as I've selected my trigger application, so now moving to my action window. As I want to send the body content of email as SMS with my team members, so here I'm going to use Twilio to send the messages. So here I'm going to select Twilio as my action application. And the action event will be to send SMS message. So here as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application, so now my objective is that whenever I will receive a new mail on my Gmail account, then those mails should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So to do that, firstly, I need to use this email parser by Pabbly, which will help me to fetch the emails from my Gmail account. So now to do this, here you can see our email hook is given. So this email hook will help me to capture the emails that I will receive on my Gmail account. So now to begin with the process, I'm going to take you to my Gmail account, and over here I'm going to go to settings, and in settings I will go to see all settings. And over here, I will go to this forwarding and POP/IMAP. And over here, I'm going to add a forwarding address that I've received from Pabbly Connect. So over here, I'm going to click on this. And over here, I need to enter a new forwarding email address. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy this. And now here in my Gmail account, I'm going to paste the same, and then I'm going to click on next. And now I'm going to click on proceed. So this is the forwarding mail, and now I will click on proceed. So over here it says a confirmation link has been sent to this mail hook. So now I need to verify it. So here I'm going to click OK. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have received a response. So now I'm going to show you the confirmation link. I'm just going to scroll down. So here in this body text, I've got the confirmation link. So here I'm going to copy the same. And now I'm going to paste this in a new tab. And here I'm going to click on confirm. So over here, the confirmation is successful. So now I will again go to my Gmail account. And over here, I will click on this forward a copy of incoming mail to this mail hook. So I'm going to click on this. And now here, I'm going to click on save changes. So now once all this is done, now to fetch the email that I'm going to send it, here I will click on this recapture email parser response button. And I'm going to click on yes. So now I'm going to send an email. So here, this is the email that I want to send. This here is the subject. And now here I'm going to add the recipient email. So here I'm going to add the email ID where I want to send the mail. So the mail has been sent successfully. So this here is the mail and I'm going to open it. So here I have received the response and this here is the subject that goes as Digital Marketing Workshop, Chief Guest Details. Now I'm simply going to scroll down and here you can see the body text. So this is the body text which was sent in the mail. So that means the mail which has been sent successfully is captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new email will be received on this Gmail account, then automatically that email will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect by using email parser. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So moving further, as I've got the mail body content over here in Pabbly Connect, so now I want to send a SMS message to my team. So now to do that, I need to establish a connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now here to add a new connection, I need to mention the account SID, authorization token, and then again I need to mention the account SID. So here I'm going to take you to my Twilio account and over here this is the account SID. So I'm going to copy it and now over here in Pabbly Connect I'm going to paste the same and again I'm going to paste it over here. Now I need to mention the authorization token. So here I'm going to copy the authorization token and here in Pabbly Connect I've pasted the authorization token and now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that the connection has been established between Twilio and Pabbly Connect. So now moving to the body of the SMS. So here I want to add the body of the email that I have received. So here I'm going to map it. Basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here as I've received the response from email parser. So here I'm going to map the body of the SMS. So here in this search bar, I'm going to search for body and here it is and I've mapped it. So I've mapped the body text. So now moving to sender number, here I need to mention my Twilio account number. So over here from Twilio, I'm going to copy my phone number and then in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So now moving to the recipient number. So here I'm going to mention one of my team members' phone number. So this is a dummy one actually. So I'm mentioning it as of now over here. Once this is done, as I've mapped the body of the SMS, this method of mapping is important so that every time you will receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here simply I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. And now here you can see that I have received the response and this is the body of the message that would have been sent. So now I'm going to show you the SMS that is sent. So here you can see that the body content of an email is successfully sent as a SMS to one of my team members successfully. So this automation and integration is a successful one. Now whenever an email will be received on this Gmail account, then automatically the body content of that email will be sent as a SMS by using Twilio. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.